Alright, we're up to the second part now of the Blackjack deal 'em up exercise. So we'll go through and see how we go with that. First thing we've got to do is declare a variable named card and give it a random number between 1 and 52. Okay, that should be var card equals, do a math dot random, whoops, I want to do a math dot floor first, so it gives the whole number, then the math random. I should be using a lowercase, and we want to basically times that by 52, which will give us a number between 0 and 51. Then we need to add 1. Okay, have a look at the hint, I guess. Yep, we'll give that a run, see how that goes. Object has no method random. Oh well, small mistake. That's correct. Okay, we've got to define a function. So var it's called deal equals function and this will need to return a random number between 1 and 52. So maybe we can just type it in like this, return and we're going to declare two variables, card 1 and card 2. Alright, how does that look? Correct. Next exercise. Okay, that should do that section, but we'll soon see once we run it. So we've got to declare this again. Two variables, card 1 and card 2. Actually, I'm going to copy this because I always have to keep typing it in. Right. So var card 1 equals, we want to run the function. Same again for card 2. Okay. Now we're going to write a function called score. Assign points by adding up sum of card 1 and card 2. Alright, so var score equals function card 1 plus card 2 return score. Now I can see I've got a problem there somewhere. Don't know why yet, but I know why. I need to take that out of there. It's not meant to be in there, it's meant to be in curly braces. So it's just a bit of a syntax issue. Put it in there. That's probably got to go in there too. That's why it's complaining. Semicolons maybe. Have to put in var score equals. Alright, see what happens with this. Oh, it works. What do you know? Alright, so we've got to write a new function called getValue. Takes a parameter card and returns card. So we'll put that in. Copy that. So it will be code for running a function is var and the function name equals function brackets. We'll put in here card because that's the value it's going to take, and then the curly brackets or braces, and we want it to return card. See what that works like. That's good. Next exercise. Now it's taken all our code away. We've got to start all over again, for Christ's sake. We'll do this number 1 section. Keep on putting capitals in, but it's fixed now. Alright, so card is going to be a random value between 1 and 52. And we've got a return card. Okay, that section should be taken care of. We've got to declare variables card 1 and card 2, so deal for that one. I'll copy it, paste it, and change it to card 2. And we're going to do a function called getValue. So var getValue equals function curly braces turns a remainder when a card is divided by 13. So it takes a value of card and then it's got to return card divided by 13, the remainder of card divided by 13. Alright, so return I'm not 100% sure on this, so card modulus, it wasn't modulus 13. Okay, hopefully that's right too. So now the last thing we're going to do is write a function called score. Use keyword return and return a score, which is the sum of card 1 and card 2 passed through the getValue function. Alright, so it's a little bit confusing, but let's start by var score equals function, and this is where we put our code in the curly braces. So we've got to return card 1 plus card 2, actually pass through the getValue function. So basically we've got to return getValue with a capital V card 1 plus, I assume, getValue card 2. We'll soon see. Alright, see what happens. My goodness, works. Unbelievable. Okay, next exercise. We've got to fill in these if statements here. Return 10 points, I guess. What's its problem here? Bad left-hand side of assignment. Oh. So we're testing to see if it's equal. We've got to use the three equal signs. Alright, will that work? Oops, it does not work. I wonder if we have to write all this crap out properly. like this. Probably do. There we go. So that works now. Alright, so basically that's saying if card divided by 13 is 0, or 11, or 12, then we return 10 because they're face cards. Otherwise, it'll go through here, which will just return the remainder of card divided by 13, which is just going to give it the value of the card if it's not a face card. Okay, next exercise. Okay, wonder what that's going to work out like. Invalid left hand side in argument. So what have I done here? We are comparing, so we need to have 3 equal signs. It's still not working. It's not because of the semicolon, I wouldn't imagine. Let's have a look at the hint. Alright, maybe when we're returning this value, we want to return the value divided by 13, or the remainder basically. We're using the modulus symbol. See if that works. That's right, that worked. Alright, so that's all finished now. Move on to the next lesson.